Norway, land of fjords and, vast deep forests. All trees stand like giants. It's a truly wild, secret place. Imagine walking these paths. Old moss hangs down low. Deep inside, life thrives, but it is often hidden. Many creatures live here, move like true shadows, experts at staying unseen. You might feel them nearby. Seeing them is a rare gift. This adds to the great mystery. Among these hidden lives are two real legends. Magnificent, elusive animals. They are spirits of wildness, the untamed heart of Norway. These are the Eurasian lynx and the mighty brown bear. Their stories are forest lore. Let's meet the Eurasian lynx, an incredible stealthy cat, a true phantom right here. It walks on padded feet, so silent, a soft whisper. The lynx masters its stealth. It can vanish in moments, a true ghost of the woods. Then, there is the brown bear, a symbol of sheer power and surprising quiet grace. This massive animal still roams. It moves with quiet dignity. Despite its impressive true size, it too is very elusive. A magnificent wild forest creature. Both lynx and bear are shy. They are wary of all people. This is key to their survival. They represent that untamed spirit, Norway's wild beating heart now. Their secrecy builds their legend. These animals share this home. They know its secret ways, its hidden, quiet, safe corners. They command such deep respect from all who know them well. Norway's hidden forest icons. Truly amazing animals, folks. The Eurasian lynx looks great. It has beautiful spotted fur, thick, warm for cold winters. Note its tufted tall ears and short, black-tipped tail. Large paws act like snowshoes, helping it move on snow. A solitary, very silent hunter. Now, picture the brown bear. Its fur can be light tan, or sometimes very dark brown, a clear hump on its shoulders. Claws are long and so strong, used for digging and for food. Bears eat many different things. Why are they hard to find? The lynx hunts at night. Its camouflage is near perfect, blending into forest shadows. It roams very large areas, and it avoids all humans. Its senses are so sharp. The brown bear is also cautious. It has an amazing nose, smells humans from far off. It prefers the dense forest. Plus, bears sleep in winter, unseen for many long months. The lynx plays a key role. It is a top predator. It controls deer numbers well, which keeps forests very healthy. The lynx ensures good balance. An important forest guardian. The brown bear is also vital. It eats fruits, spreads seeds, in its droppings, of course. This helps new plants to grow. When bears dig for their food, they turn over the soil. They also scavenge sometimes, cleaning the forest floor. Some cool lynx survival facts. Their eyesight is truly amazing. They can spot small prey from very far away now. Their hearing is also keen. They use surprise to hunt. Big paws help in snow. They can leap so far. Bears have great survival skills. They eat so much in fall, building fat for the winter. Then they find or dig dens. They sleep through cold months. Mother bears teach their cubs how to find food, stay safe. This knowledge is so key. The lynx and the brown bear, they remain elusive, shy animals, phantoms of the deep woods. Their lives are mostly hidden, part of their wild, free nature. We respect their own space. These animals are so important, not just for forest health. It needs our constant care, even if you never see one. The thought of a sleek lynx moving silently through trees or a bear foraging nearby, with such wild, secret beasts. They are Norway's wild heartbeats, these hidden forest legends. Let's always appreciate them. Let's work to protect homes, so these forests stay wild, and their magic can thrive. Amazing. What incredible creatures.